Arby's, we have.
Ernesto por...
Kidding me? That guy is not supposed to be at Arby's.
No.
That must be the voice of Carface from Old Dogs Go to Heaven sequels.
Talk again, and I'll have to call the manager.
Getting that bean.
I've been spotted.
Arby's, we have the.
Patty LaPone.
I have no idea.
What the heck have you done? Patty LaPone wasn't supposed to be at Arby's.
Oh, she was
That
on the
must be
movie
the singer
Life,
from
on the TV
I Like
show
to
Life Goes
Floss.
On.
Oogie
I've still never seen Life Goes On.
Commercial.
Sang a song
Give me-
that
I've still never seen
Patty
Life.
LaPone did on Wednesday, and she said, and we said, "Who sings that?" And she said, "Patty LaPone." And Tony's like, "Who?"
Yeah, because I remember Corky. He was a Down syndrome actor, and I think it was like one of the first, shows of the time that had a Down syndrome actor. He was my
I've still
favorite.
never seen Life Goes On.
It's a good family TV show. Your mom might want to watch some of them though before you watch them, just to make sure.
Fraggle Rock plush dolls this instant.
Talk again, and I'll have to call the
What is it?
To call Anna Reed. Okay, so who is that? What's his name? I forgot.
Wembley.
Wembley, yes. And this is Red. And then who is
That one is Moki.
Moki? Yes. Okay. I think I'm gonna watch Fraggle Rock tonight while I fold more clothes.
I don't get it about this message.
manager.
What is with these guys laughing?
Getting that bean.
Thanks, Statler. This is Statler, right?
It's Waldorf, right?
Waldorf. Dang it.
You need to work on their...
Waldorf. White-haired Waldorf.
You always get their names wrong.
I do. White-haired Waldorf. White-haired Waldorf. White-haired Waldorf. Maybe I'll remember it if I keep saying that. White-haired Waldorf. White-haired Waldorf.